Hi, I'm Dave, and I'll be talking about chapter 1 for our shuttlecock collector machine. So, basically the main reason of doing this shuttlecock collector machine is to reduce the time wastage and energy consumed by collecting the shuttlecock by hand one by one during a long training lesson. Moreover, our objective of our project is to develop a cheap and affordable shuttlecock collector machine for badminton training usage. Furthermore, we also want to design an ergonomic and user-friendly shuttlecock collector machine. Next, we want to create a shuttlecock collector machine with minimum maintenance and energy consumption. The scope of our project is to design the shuttlecock collector machine using the SolidWorks software. We also want to create an ergonomical, user-friendly and low-maintenance collector machine. And also finally, we want to simulate and do analysis on the shuttlecock collector machine using the SolidWorks 2021 simulation program. The type of analysis that we want to do are static and fatigue analysis. The significance of this study is to ease the work of shuttlecock collection during badminton training. Moreover, we also have the potential time to reduce the energy consumption during a long training period compared to a conventional method. We also use designing components such as motor shaft and bearing and pulley, which ensures the product to be handled easily and durable. Moreover, we also want to create a convenient and user-friendly machine to be used in anywhere, anytime in badminton court by the trainee, coaches and player themselves. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Agilan Raj and my metric number is CD180036 and I'm going to present on chapter 2, which is defined tasks. So for the first one we have literature. Depending on which field is ever carried, a literature review is a portion of every research article that gives analysis and observations of published material and may provide new, adequate and most importantly applicable knowledge about the research area. So for the comparison of product, for the first one we have heavy, loud noise, large in size and not convenient to move around, and for the conventional method it is consuming more energy and time to pick up the shuttle after sweeping it. So for the identification of market needs, the main reason of the survey conducted is to obtain customer requirement for shuttlecock collector machine. In the process of constructing the questions, we took some advice from badminton players and engineers in which a rough idea was acquired to list the questions. The questionnaire was then distributed to the targeted people such as badminton players, athletes, badminton court, owners, designers, engineers and students. So this is our objective tree. These are the specific approaches to confirm and transform the vague design statement into a more specific one that kept the product's design on task and fulfills the design's needs. Next, which is weighting of objective tree. The objective tree's weighting is obtained through the customer's priority from the survey done and arranged according to the previous objective tree. The next one, we have quality function deployment. The figure shows the quality function deployment of the shuttlecock collector machine. The planning solving tools of the team that has been adopted as the tool of choice, that is focusing on the team's design attention to satisfy all the customer needs throughout the design's whole product development process. So for requirement list or engineering design specification, for customer requirements, the first one is design, which is it is a portable device, environmentally safe, has a lower weight measurement, compatibility with the surrounding. And for the second one, cost, we have with an affordable price, low cost in repairability, low amount of energy used. And for the third one, safety factor, we have withstanding exposure to weather without damage. And for the fourth one, quality factor, we have has a high durability, minimal technical problem, can sustain for 5 years. And for the last one, which is function, with an efficient functionality and it has a maximum work rate. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Darshan R.SIVADAS. My metric number is CD180139. For my part, I'll be discussing about chapter 3, conceptual design. Conceptual design is a part of the design process that involves defining fundamental problems through abstraction, developing function structure, searching for suitable working principles, and combining them into a working structure. Component decomposition analysis for shuttlecock collecting machine consists of body frame, collecting system, sorting system, driving system, and power system, and followed by their subcomponents. For function decomposition analysis, It consists of accumulate shuttlecock, sorting shuttlecock, convert electric to torque to kinetic energy, and human energy to electric energy. Function structure is basically a flow from bringing the machine to the cord till the shuttlecock in the container. So in this process flow, we can identify the energy is being used, the signal that will be sent, and the movement of the shuttlecock. Concept generation is one of the method is brainstorming. So the main area of we focus is the function, safety factor, quality factor, design, and cost. For product sketching, we came out with 3 design, which consists of 3 different working principles, functions, and benefits. Lastly, concept selection. The optimal criterion combination is when a product meets the majority of client needs while also receiving the highest overall weight rating. So for body frame, we went for lightweight design. Body material is aluminium, motor is DC motor, driving mechanism is belting system, handle is rubber, collector is in U shape, brush we use polypropylene material, power source is a rechargeable battery, and for sorting machine mechanism is string mechanism. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Okay, next I'll be talking about chapter 4, which is the fundamental analysis of shuttlecock collector machine. So our shuttlecock collector machine consists of one motor, 4 pulley to bring the shuttlecock towards the container, a shaft, and 2 belt driving system. So in order for us to find what type of motor is used, we calculated the speed and also the power required for the pulley to move. Therefore, we also choose a motor of DC motor with 2000 RPM and also efficiency of 80%. Next, we have done the belt driving system analysis, in which we state all the diameters of the gear, specific gear, with the specific speed from the driver to the driven belting device. And also we also found the torque together with the tension, the contact angle, the length of belt, the power exerted by each driver, the centrifugal force, and also by using the moment diagram, we also found the moment at the center and also the moment at critical point. By using these values, we have created a shaft by doing the analysis, in which the size of the from driven B to driver C of the belting system, we determine the size and also the length of the shaft. Furthermore, we also have done a lot of dimension analysis, in which using this analysis we determine the dimension to be drawn in the design part. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa NATHASHA NURNAZIRA binti AZMAN with metric number AD180266. So I'm going to elaborate and explain more about chapter 7, which is the sustainability and environmental consideration in engineering design. So we will go through with the basic concept first, which everyone know that sustainability is not only about the environment, but it is also important in the engineering sector. Why it is important is because it encourages to think about the entire manufacturing process and life cycle while developing the product. So for project with high sustainability, must cover all aspects, which is the first one is economic planning, second, minimizing use of material, and refining the design to fit into the environmental with minimal disruption of natural ecosystem. There are three elements in sustainability, which is the first one is social sustainability, the second one is economic sustainability, and the third one is environmental sustainability. Next, we move to the impact of engineering solution to the sustainable development. So, in a way to achieve an effective engineering design sustainability, a numerous sustainability must be examined. So, there are a few key factors that we need to look, which is the first one, appropriate resource selection. The second one, improve resource utilization and engineering process efficiency. The next one is environmental stewardship, and the last one is fulfillment of the sustainability. Last but not least, we need to make sure that the product that was designed must be designed for the environment. There are a few examples that the design must be designed for the environment, such as for remanufacturing, for the assembly, for energy efficiency, and for the workplace. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NOORFARHANAH binti HAJIHIL, CD 180170, and will be presenting the Chapter 8 for Economic Costing and Business Plan. Economics is a well study that received a great deal from the elders. The concept of economics is linked to the social science. Cost evaluation is important for any project or organization that operates using financial of other resources. Altogether, it costs 422 and 80 cents. Altogether, it costs 2,400 a month. For overhead costs, altogether, it costs us 390 ringgit per month. Cost, it only takes us 10 ringgit per month. Together is 456.5 cents. It will be 1,243 ringgit. Next is business plan. The executive summary will be: we are dedicated to provide an excellent machine on device related to. Our mission is to have a good work ethic, such as professional staff, quality product, and efficient service. The key to success is to have passion, goal, and vision, purpose, teamwork, strategy, professionalism, and adaptability. Mendes is established in 2021 and consists of 5 members, 3 men and 2 women. We offer a user-friendly machine to ease the burden of collecting shuttlecock with manpower. Product named Shuttlecock Collector Machine, and it is made from aluminium, Allonex Shuttlecock Collector, and we analyze the product based on lightweight, adjustable, and compactability. Our strength is user-friendly and compact. Weakness is noise and limited exposure due to less demand. Opportunity is commercial worthy for sports, publicized through social media and any other platform. And our threat is shuttlecock condition after collection and having to choose between usage. For market analysis, we use survey and comparing our product to competitor. Our marketing strategy is using the 4 P's element. The last one is self-forecast. The first one, we will have to identify target customer, establish buyer alignment, choose the right tools, coach the right way, and utilize and analysis metrics.